Hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will learn about your data structure in Python. So what are data structure in Python? So they are way of organizing and storing data in computer program so that it can access and manipulate very easily. So this is our data structure. So there are very versatile data structured in Python. So let's start and learn them one by one. So first of all is your list. So if I will put list here, and I will just increase this size, so now it will look much bigger. So list, okay, so first of all we will do list. So list is a collection of items that are ordered and changeable, like we can change them. So it is very flexible data structure that can hold different type of data, like it can even hold your string, it can hold your integer, it can hold your complex number, float. So it can store any type of data type. So suppose I will create a variable fruit and it will start with your round bracket. So this is one of the things which we keep in mind. Then I will put apple here, comma, then I will put here banana, last one I will put orange. So this is our list. So and I will print this, I will print here fruits, and then I will run this. So it will print our all the elements in the list. So this is the first way, like we can create a list. Next thing, changing element in a list, like we have apple, banana, orange in the list, and if you want to change the banana item here, so how we can, so we have to do indexing for that. So indexing is like I have to put the number here, fruit, and it will in the one number, so it will start from 0. So banana is in the one number, and I want to put it here kiwi. So I want to put the element kiwi here. Then I will go to the next line, and then I will print your fruits and just enter. So now we have kiwi in place of banana. So we can, so this way we can change the element of the list. So here what we will write, change the element of the list. So this way we can change the element of list. Start with your round bracket. Next you are adding element to a list, like we already have a list, and if you want to add one more element in that list, so how we can do that? So name of our list is your fruit. So I will copy this and paste it here. So the function is append. So if we will append this, it will add a value to our list. So I will put here grapes, and then I will run this. So it runs, then I will print and just run this. So we have a grapes added in our list. Next is iterating over a list using for loop. So how we can iterate over a list? So I will write here, iterating over a list using a for loop. So how we can do that? So I will add some cells here. So now I will put for fruit in fruits. So this is the name of our, and then I will write print your fruit. So we have created a fruit here. So now we are iterating over a list. Next is indexing in a list, like if you want to index elements, like we have 1 2 3 4 elements in the list. So how we can index in a list? So how to do that? So indexing in a list. So what I will do, I will write here print then I will put here fruits, and here I will write 1 and then print it. So it will give kiwi. So in the 1 position we have a kiwi here, so it will start from 0 and 1. Next is your finding the length of the list. So how to find the length of the list? To find the length of the list, we have to use the len function here. So how to use the len function? We write print here, then I will put len here, then I will write the name of the variable which we have created, which is fruit, and then I will just close this. I'll just close this fruit inside and then run. So it will say, like, if we have 4 elements in a list, so it will start 1 2 3 4. So we have 4 elements in a list. Next is like if we want to add to list, so that is also a thing. Like if you want to add to list, how we can do that? For that we need another list also. So I will add some, and I will create a new list. I will give it a name fruits1 equal to, and I will put some new item here. Like I will put here pear, and the next one is your peach. So I have put 2 more elements in a list, which is fruit1. First of all, I will print it and show you. Like if we have a new list, so now we have a 2 list here. So first one is your fruit and the second one is your fruit1. So if we have to add them, I will create another variable, add fruits. So this is the name which I have given. So now I will add fruits plus fruits underscore 1. This is the name of our second. Then I will run this. So it runs, and then I will print and add fruit. So I will just copy this, paste it here, and just run this. So now we have 2 lists added. So this way we can add 2 lists. So add fruit1, fruits plus fruit1. So we have created a fruit1 here, where we have created 2 fruit, peach and pear. So we can say they are mutable. So we can change the value of list. That's why they are mutable. And next thing what we will do, I will say, like, what next we can do, like we can if you want to check if an element is in list or not, like, so how we can do, we can use it with the if function. So like checking element in a list. So how we can do that, I will put some here. So for that, what I will do, I will put if apple in fruits. I will put if apple in fruits, then I will write print, indentation is required, so we have given a gap here, print I like apple, or if it has apple it will give an answer, so it will show like we have an apple here, so it will show like I love apple. If answer is there, so it will show that. Next is your tuples. So I will put here tuples as our heading. I will put the spelling right and just convert it into a markdown, or either I will put this line as a heading. So now we have a tuple here. So next is our tuple. What are tuples? So if we will talk about tuples, Tuples are similar to list, but items that are here we cannot change them, and they are ordered. So we can say tuples are ordered and we cannot change their element. And it is used in dictionaries also, like which we will do later. So first of all, I will create a tuple like color, and I will put, and it will start with your round bracket. So this is the thing here, like red, then I will put comma, green, then I will put comma, and I will put here white, and then I will say print color. So these are the color, like red, green, white is our tuple, so it is started with round bracket. Next is like if you want to print the elements of the list, suppose like if I would like to print, I will take this color and copy this, and I want to print our green color, so I will put one here and just run this, so it will print the green color there. So this is the way we can access the elements of our tuple. Access the element of our tuple. So this way we can access the element of our tuple. Next is like we can't change values of tuple. Like if you want to change values of tuple, like control, I will copy this, and now I want to change the values of our tuple. Like I will take, like we already have red, green, blue, I will put it blue and just run it. So it will object does not support this item assignment, so tuples cannot be changed. So this, after, like if I will put a value here, so we cannot change the tuples here. So this is the thing with tuples. And next is your set. So set is also inbuilt data structure in Python. It is collection of unique element. They are also very like your tuples and your, I will put it here set and just convert it into a heading here. Okay, so now we are doing sets. So they are also similar to your tuples and your, but the only thing is like they are unordered collection and their values are unique. Like in the case of tuples and list, we can have unique, we can have duplicate values, but in case of sets we can't have duplicate value. Like if I will put a and equal to, I will create a simple a, and it will start with curly bracket here, and I will put 1 1 1, and I will just show you. So and then I will print a and run it. So it is only showing the one value here, so it is only print unique value. So like we will create another tuple here, sorry, list set here. So to set only, it does not allow duplicate value, so it only print one value here. So I will create again another one, and this time I will give some more value like 3 4 5 6 and then 7, and then I will print a, so it will print all the values in the set. Next is if I want to add some element in the set, so how we can do that? Adding element in the set, I will convert it into heading. Okay, and then I will add some cells here. So if we want to add some you can say that element in the set, how we can do that? For that we have to put a command which is add command. So how we can do that? So a is our like set here, so I will put a dot add, and then I will add another, like I will put one, like not one, I will put here 9 and just run it. So it will show some error here. So we have to check what is the error here. A dot add, it's not adding. Call last, list object has no attribute add, so it is not printing it. Sorry. Okay, it's not, we have to put a curly bracket here, so this is the problem here. So list start, sorry, your set start with a curly bracket. I haven't put the curly bracket, that's my mistake. Now I will run it. First of all, I have to run this, then I have to run this. So now we have added another element in our set, and then I will run this. So it starts with the curly bracket. This is the thing, it's my mistake, I have put in there your round bracket. And this way we can, and if you want to remove some element from our set, how we can do that? So to remove element from set, how we can do that? So to remove element from set, what we need to do, I will have to write a command here, and that is basically your remove command. So I will put a dot remove, and then I will give the name of the element which I want to remove. Suppose we have an element here, so I will remove 7, and then I will put 9 and just run this. So set takes exactly one argument, not two, so it will take one argument at a time. So first of all I will put 7, then I will use the set here, and then I will print a and run this. So our 7 number is removed from our set. So this way we create a set, and next is like combining set using union. So we can add two set using a command like which is union command. So we can add two set using a, like I will create a second set like B, and here I will put some number like 11, I will put 21, then I will take some unique number. So this is our second set, and I will run this. And if we want to add B and A together in a set, how we can do that? So I will put here, now we have two set, add two set in Python. How we can do that? So I will just select this, go there, heading. Okay, so this is, now I will add some cells. To add two, we will use a command which is your union command. So how to do that? First of all, I will put a new variable like C, then I will put equal to, then I will take A dot union, and inside it I will take B. So I have created a new variable C where we have added A with B. Now I will print C and run it. So we have add all the elements in the set. So this way we can add two set together. So like if we have two sets and we have some common data in them, like if I will put some common data, like if I will put here like B and I will put 2 here, So how it can find out like what is the common data in between two sets here. Like if you have 2 here, 2 is also in our A, and it's also, but it's not showing the duplicate. But if you want to intersect of two sets, so I will put here intersect of two set. Like we have a common data 2 number in both A and B. Like in A we have 2, in B we have 2. So in both our sets we have two number as common. So how we can interact them? So I will put some here. Then I will create another variable, like D is the variable I will put here. Then I will put A dot in intersect, and here I will put B, and then I will print D and run this. So it is showing some problem. Intersection is the command. I will put the right word. Set, it is showing there is no common data between them. I will just run it once more. I will run this, then I will run this union, then I will run this. So 2 is the common data between both your A and B. And the next one is dictionaries. So what are dictionaries here? I will put there dictionaries. So dictionaries is also an inbuilt feature in your Python. So what dictionary contain? They contain collection of keys and value pair. So dictionaries are also known as array, like also known as associated array, map, or hash table. So it is collection of your keys and your values. So how it is created? So let's check it out. So now we will create a dictionary here. Like I will give it a name person, and it will start with your curly bracket. Then in inverted comma I will give name, and here will put this inverted commas, not inverted, like this apostrophes. Then I will put the name here, like Mahesh is the name. Then I will put comma, again I will put key, and then this, and here I will put his age. Sorry, I will put the single only because I am putting the single 30, and here I will put another one, which is your location. I will put the location. Now I will run this. So now I will print. So we have our keys and values in a dictionary here. So this is the way we can add values in a dictionary. And if you want to just type a person name, like if I will put print, if I will only put the key here, and here I will put person, and from this person if I want to put only name here and just run this, so it will give an error. So we have to see what's the error here. Person, okay, we have put an spelling is wrong. So it will only give the value. So if you want to know the value, so it will give the value. So this is the way we can access a value using a key. So this way we can access a value using a key. So we will just give a key and find out the value of that key. Now if you want to add a new element in a list, like if you want to add new element in a dictionary. We are doing dictionary, sorry. So how to add a value in a dictionary? So to put a value in a dictionary, I have to write the name of the table, then the key which we want to put, I will put here, I will put occupation, what is the occupation of that person, and here I will put and then I will run this. So it is showing some error, we have to check. Okay, I will put close this. I have to close this for here, not outside, not there, then run this. So we have added an value in our dictionary. So I will copy this, print it here, put it here and run this. So now we have another key and value added in our dictionary. So this way we can add a value in dictionary. And if you want to remove a key value pair from a dictionary, we have to write the name, like we have a location, and if you want to remove that, how we can do that? So I will write removing a key value pair from a dictionary. So how we can do that? To removing, what I will do, I will write del command. I will put del dot person, name of our dictionary, then I will put location. So location is there, so we will want to delete that, then I will run this. So it is showing some problem, so we have to see. PR location is okay. I think I have to not put this and then run this. So we do not have to put a dot there, so we will put del dot person location. So we have remove from our dictionary. Now if you want to print person here and see the elements in our dictionary, so we will not find location now, so it is removed. So this way we can removing a key and pair value from dictionary. So that's all in this video. So thank you very much.